First of all, we have to add Docker in our VS Code editor. You can see there is no Docker extension in activity bar. To install Docker, click on extension. Here you can see Docker is recommended. I have already installed Docker in my desktop. That's why I find it in the top. You can simply type in search box Docker. Choose this one. Docker is created by Microsoft. You can see make it easy to create, manage and debug containerized applications. I click on install button. You can see the details. It helps you how to use Docker. Now you can see Docker extension in activity bar. I close this. Right click on activity bar. You can see checkmark on Docker. If I uncheck it, you can see no Docker extension is available on activity bar. Now I click on checkmark. You can see the Docker extension on activity bar. Click on Docker extension. Here you can see the list of container images, registries, network, volumes, context and many more. I expand container. You can see list of containers. This comes from my Docker desktop. If I expand images, you can see the list of images. Right click on container. You can start a container. Click start. In below it shows starting containers. If I see in my desktop app, here container is running. I start run first one. That's why here shows one is running. Right click on it. Click on the attached shell. Docker shell command is open. Now type ls to see all the files folders. Type uname. Okay, Linux. Make sure Linux is installed on your system. Now right click on container. Click on open in browser. I have already installed Laravel shell into my Docker. That's why it shows up. Right click on container and you can inspect view logs. I want to stop container, so click stop. Okay, it's a stop. If I reload this tab, you can see this site cannot be reached. In desktop app, you can see container status exit. Open your command palette, type docker, add, click on add Dockerfile to workspace. To add Dockerfile, please open a folder or workspace. Click on Open Folder. I go to E drive, click and select this folder. You can see the Docker file and app.js file. Open command palette again and add Docker files. Applications platform, I choose Node.js. No package.json files were found in the workspace. Okay, we can add express.js, so I open terminal, type npm install express and hit enter. Again, open command palette, type add docker files, choose node.js, choose packet.json, port 3000. OK. Include optional docker compose file. No, I just want to use single container, that's why I click on no. A docker file is creating. Do you want to overwrite docker file? Yes, I click on overwrite all. Now you can see all docker file is overwrite. Now you can see the file is overwrite. If I hover over on the file, it gives me the informations about this. If I try to copy, it will suggest me. Simply press on tab. Okay, now I remove this and type run. Intelligence shows me a run command. Okay, I remove this. Right click on docker file, click on build image. It is start building image. If I scroll on top here, you can see the command is running. It will take some time to build image. Okay, our image is successfully built. Here you can check our image name and our main directory folder. I expand the image. You can see latest image ID. It takes 5 minutes to build. Right click on it. I can run it, pull and push it like GitHub repository. Now I click on run. You can see Docker run. If I go to desktop Docker, you can see new image is added. I clear the terminal. Now I want to connect a registry. Select the provider for your registry. I choose Docker Hub. I enter my Docker ID and password. Here you can see Docker Hub is added. If you're interested to know more about Docker, please feel free to comment. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. I will catch you in my next video. Thanks, bye bye.